Welcome, guys. First time into my breaks. Let me know where you guys are from in the comments. Let me know what teams you got going on tonight or today. Yeah, and welcome. Thanks for bidding on my breaks. Right off the bat, I'll say I have 3 more breaks tonight. I'm doing a 10 blaster break. I'm doing a 5 mega box break of Prizm. Then I'm also doing a 6 mega box NBA hoops break tonight. So, oh yeah, have you done my breaks before? Joe Loftus. I live in Woodbury. I get quite a few people actually that live in the Twin Cities in my breaks. Feel free to share in the comments what the coolest card you've ever gotten on a break is. Champlin, nice. Oh, you're a first timer? I feel like your name is I've seen your name before, but maybe not. When I do shipping. Well, welcome from Champlin. I was just kind of up that way actually like a couple hours ago. Yeah, other guys, let me know in the comments where you guys are from if you want to share it. What teams you got going on today? Joe, who do you got? You got a few teams, I believe, right? I'll get started about 3 after post time. I'll let people join a little late. I get to the point when it gets to the breaks. I do them pretty quick. I don't dilly-dally around too much, so let you guys get on with your day. Texas. Nice, I like it. Jen up with the Cowboys. Ravens, Browns, Broncos. Nice. I like doing my afternoon breaks. It's been a couple weeks since I've done them. I like doing Cello box. I did a lot of Mosaic Cello box breaks in the afternoon. I've kind of moved away from that on to Prizm now. I have a lot of Prizm breaks to do in the next few days. This is my 23rd Prizm break total, and I have product to do 9 more after today. So I'm doing 2 tonight, I think 2 tomorrow, 3 on Friday, and 2 on Sunday. And that should wipe me out of my stock before Christmas. All right, guys, it's 3 after the hour. It's usually when I get started. If you guys have any questions on anything, let me know. DM me, message me on eBay, DM me on Instagram. I will be uploading this to my Instagram that you're on currently, as well as YouTube right after the break's done. And like I said, I'm doing 2 more Prizm breaks tonight, 10 blaster and a 5 mega. So feel free to bid on those if you want. So let's get started. My battery is getting kind of low. I might have to plug it in. All right. Broke the seal. Let's get to it. You guys are familiar with Prizm breaks. There'll be a pack that has 12 cards in it, and then we have a pack that has 3 cards in it that are red, white, and blue parallels. So hopefully we hit a couple nice silvers, maybe a green or 2 that's a legit hit. Let's get to it. We have a Leonard Fournette, Dan Marino, David Johnson, Derek Carr, Anthony Miller, Antonio Gates, Keith Brooking, Kyle Juszczyk, and a Jared Cook. Green rookie. It's got... Nope. Thought I had potential. Clavon Chasen. I get him in green a lot, actually. Tom Brady Brilliance, nice hit. Colin Johnson rookie card. Tom Brady Brilliance, not awful. A green Chason. Like I said, we'll do a, there's always a 3-pack red, white, and blue as well, which is T.Y. Hilton, Joe Theismann, and then the third card's always a rookie. It's got the right color. Nope, but DeAndre Swift, not bad. I know if it's going to be a Herbert by... when you start revealing the card, I kind of got the gist down of what a Herbert looks like, so I can tell pretty quick if it's going to be a Herbert or not on the dramatic reveal. All right, next pack. Darren Fells, Curtis Martin, Nick Chubb, Von Miller, Fletcher Cox, Darren Waller, Kyle Rudolph, Tyler Higbee, McGrady Jarrett. We have an emergent green parallel coming up. It is a LaVisca, not bad. LaVisca green parallel, emergent. We have a Kyler Murray hype, also not bad. And an Anthony Gordon base. Kyler Murray hype. We have a LaVisca green emergent. Did a Cello box break last week. It was a really good break. Phillip Rivers, Hunter Henry, Lynn Bowden Jr. Yeah, it had a red, white, and blue Herbert and a red, white, and blue Tua. It had a base Burrow. I think I had a red, white, and blue Hurts as well. It was a nice Cello box. Hopefully ours ends up like that as well. Cole Beasley, Denzel Ward, James White, Terry McLaurin, Colin Farrell, Evan Ingram, Jalen Ramsey, Curtis Samuel, Devin White. We have a green on rookie, Laurent Duvernay Tardif. Get him a lot. Fireworks Nick Chubb, and a CD base. Don't pull the CD base very much, actually, so that's a nice hit for the Cowboys. What's up, dude? Did you get anybody today? Got 3 more breaks tonight. If you missed this one. Doing an NBA one tonight. That'll be fun. Give a little break of the Prizm that I've been doing constantly. Miles Boykin, Todd Gurley, and what do we got? Brian Edwards. All right, pack 4. Trying for tonight's. All right, going for the mega box or the blaster. Just hit both of them. Quinnen Williams, Darius Leonard, AJ Green, Kevin Beard, Darius Slayton, Sammy Watkins, Devontae Adams, Larry Fitz, Anthony Barr. We're going to have a green brilliance. Devontae Parker, green brilliance. We have an Allaire emergent. And a Zach Moss base. Not bad. Allaire emergent. Green brilliance of Devontae Parker. Nice. Yeah, let me know if you get some in each one and I'll combine shipping. Joey Bosa, Aeneas Williams, and Albert Aquabunum. Finally got the name right. Looked up some YouTube videos on Aquabunum. Julian Edelman, Kenny Stills, Broadway Joe, Kyle Fuller, Justin Simmons, Brandon Graham, Tyler Lockett, Dalvin Cook, Jared Goff, non-rookie, Xavier Howard, Shaq Barrett, unstoppable, Isaiah Coulter. Meh. Not the greatest. Teddy Bruschi, Donald Driver, Nate Stanley. Barf. We'll do a review at the end of the good hits. So far, not too many. Tyler Boyd, Tremaine Edmonds, Joe Thomas, Travis Kelce, Adrian Peterson, Max Crosby, Harrison Smith, Legatron, Teddy Bridgewater, non-rookie, Barry Sanders, green, DJ Moore, hype, Neville Gallimore. Three are Damian Williams, Gronk, and a Van Jefferson. All right, we're halfway home. Halfway home so far. Not the best. Jonathan Ogden, Stephon Diggs, Dave Njoku, Champ Bailey, Austin Eckler, Matt Stafford, Anthony Harris, Shaq Thompson, Brian Bosworth. We have a green fireworks, Aaron Donald, unstoppable Myles Garrett, and a Ben DiNucci. We're hitting all the wrong rookie quarterbacks. DiNucci, Anthony Gordon, Nate Stanley, Deontay Johnson, Dallas Goedert, Keyshawn Vaughn. Yikes. Come on, this box needs to heat up a little bit here. All right, we have a Myles Garrett. Let's get it going here. Sony Michel, PEDs, Will Fuller, Kerryon Johnson, Danny Dimes, Bradley Chubb, Sean Alexander, OJ Howard, Adam Thielen, green rookie, Cam Akers, green rookie, nice hit, Rams. Hopefully that's the start of it. Tyreek Hill fireworks, not bad as well. Derek Brown. Two decent cards there. Cam Akers green. His card's going up in price after his game last Thursday night. He had like, what, 170 yards or whatever it was. Mike Gesicki, Deshaun Jackson, Jermichael Hasty. No bueno. All right, we got 4 packs to go. We are lacking on the review pile right now. We got Troy Polamalu, Le'Veon Bell, Jack O'Doyle Rules, Tyrod Taylor, Big Dick Henry, Sterling Shepard, Taysom Hill, Jelani Tavai, JPP, non-rookie, Allen Robinson, green, Julio Jones fireworks, and a Devin DuVernay. We are not even hitting like tier 2 rookies. Devin Bush, Raheem Mostert. Nope. No, not bad. Donovan Peoples-Jones. He's coming on. Last couple weeks, his card's going up in price. All right, we got 3 packs to go here. Probably going to pause out here in a sec. Once my battery gets down again to low. Mark Brunell, Jarvis Landry, Kyle Van Noy, Lane Johnson, Josh Jacobs, Mitch Trubisky, Robert Woods, Deion Jones, Richard Sherman. It's a Niners, but It's not a rookie. Eric Armstead silver. Go Hard or Go Home of Michael Thomas. And an Isaiah Simmons base rookie. Buzz, your girlfriend, woof. Frank Clark. TJ Hawkinson. Come on. Julian Okora. Got him so much in colors. Julian Okora. In blasters, I get him in orange disco like you wouldn't believe. Alright guys, we got 2 packs left. We need to start hitting some. Quentin Nelson. Ed Reed. John Brown. Golden Tate. Tyreek Hill. Dwayne Haskins. Rondé Barber. Daniil Hunter. Aaron Donald. Non-rookie, Cameron Hayward. There's an emergent, Jerry Jeudy. There we go. Joe Burrow base. Looks very centered, actually. That's about as centered as you can get right there. Nice hit for Cincy. Finally. All right. Second to last, red, white, and blue. Ken Anderson, Drew Brees, and Michael Warren, the second. Not to be mistaken for Michael Warren, the first. I'm going to try getting this shipped out like right after the break's done. So hopefully I can get it at the post office before closing time tonight. So you guys, hopefully, I know USPS is a disaster right now, but hopefully you guys will get these cards pretty quick. All right, last pack. We got Ricky Williams, Deshaun Watson, Jamal Adams, David Montgomery, Melvin Gordon, Jonnu Smith, Eric Armstead, Alvin Kamara, and a Barry Sanders. Got a green on rookie, Rondé Barber, Brilliance, Damon Williams, and a Xavier McKinney. And our final 3 cards, guys, are Warren Moon, Nick Bosa, and a Zach Bond. Ugh. Not a good way to end. All right, that was it. We'll do a review here quick. Got a Jerry Jeudy Emergent. Got the Joe Burrow base, which is very centered. It's about as centered as I've seen one of these cards. Donovan Peoples-Jones, red, white, and blue. Green Cam Akers. Tyreek Hill Fireworks. Aaron Donald Green Fireworks. Van Jefferson, red, white, blue. Devontae Parker Green Brilliance. Allaire Emergent. CeeDee Lamb base. A green Emergent of LaVisca. Kyler Murray Hype. DeAndre Swift, red, white, blue. Clavon Chasen green. And a Tom Brady Brilliance. That's it, guys, for the hit pile. Does anybody have any questions on anything? I'll stick around for another 30 seconds or so if anybody has any questions. Like I said, I'll put the review, or I'll put the replay of this up on this Instagram page as well as my YouTube page right after the break. And I'm going to try getting this shipped out ASAP right after the break's done. So thanks for joining, guys. And like I said, I have 2 more Prizm breaks tonight and an NBA Hoops break tonight as well if you guys are into basketball. So message me if you have any questions on anything. Otherwise, have a good night, guys. Thanks for bidding. Take care.